Did you know that learning just 100 advanced English words can dramatically improve your vocabulary and help you speak and write more naturally? In this video, you'll learn 100 powerful English words with their meanings, clear pronunciations, and real-life example sentences. These are words commonly used in books, newspapers, professional communication, and English proficiency exams. Watch until the end, because the words gradually become more advanced, and you might discover many you've never seen before. Let's begin with the first word. Meticulous. Meticulous means showing great attention to detail and being very careful. Example: she is meticulous about checking her work. Ubiquitous. Ubiquitous means present or found everywhere. Example: smartphones are ubiquitous in modern society. Resilient. Resilient means able to recover quickly from difficulties. Example: children are remarkably resilient. Ambiguous. Ambiguous means having more than one possible meaning. Example: his answer was ambiguous. Diligent. Diligent means hardworking and careful. Example: she is a diligent student. Profound. Profound means very deep or significant. Example: the book had a profound impact on me. Inevitable. Inevitable means certain to happen. Example: change is inevitable. Innovative. Innovative means introducing new ideas or methods. Example: the company developed an innovative solution. Sustainable. Sustainable means able to continue for a long time without harm. Example: we need sustainable energy. Comprehensive. Comprehensive means complete and including everything important. Example: the report is comprehensive. Pragmatic. Pragmatic means practical and realistic. Example: they took a pragmatic approach. Eloquent. Eloquent means fluent and persuasive in speaking or writing. Example: she gave an eloquent speech. Candid. Candid means honest and direct. Example: he gave a candid opinion. Astute. Astute means very clever and quick to understand. Example: she made an astute observation. Benevolent. Benevolent means kind and generous. Example: the benevolent donor helped many families. Conspicuous. Conspicuous means easy to notice. Example: he wore a conspicuous jacket. Credible. Credible means believable and trustworthy. Example: she provided credible evidence. Daunting. Daunting means seeming difficult to deal with. Example: the task looked daunting. Definitive. Definitive means final and authoritative. Example: this is the definitive guide. Deliberate. Deliberate means done intentionally. Example: it was a deliberate decision. Diverse. Diverse means showing a great variety. Example: the city has a diverse population. Empirical. Empirical means based on observation or experience. Example: the theory is supported by empirical evidence. Endeavor. Endeavor means a serious attempt. Example: learning English is a worthwhile endeavor. Enhance. Enhance means improve the quality of. Example: exercise enhances your health. Explicit. Explicit means clear and detailed. Example: the instructions were explicit. Feasible. Feasible means possible to do. Example, the plan is feasible. Fortuitous. Fortuitous means happening by chance in a lucky way. Example, it was a fortuitous meeting. Impeccable. Impeccable means perfect and without mistakes. Example, her manners were impeccable. Impartial. Impartial means fair and unbiased. Example, the judge remained impartial. Ingenious. Ingenious means very clever and inventive. Example, it was an ingenious invention. Intrinsic. Intrinsic means belonging naturally. Example, curiosity has intrinsic value. Lucid. Lucid means clear and easy to understand. Example, he gave a lucid explanation. Magnanimous. Magnanimous means generous and forgiving. Example, she was magnanimous in victory. Notorious means famous for something bad. Example, the street is notorious for traffic. Obsolete. Obsolete means no longer used. Example, the technology became obsolete. Optimistic. Optimistic means hopeful about the future. Example, she is optimistic about success. Persevere. Persevere means continue despite difficulties. Example, never persevere without purpose. Plausible. Plausible means seeming reasonable. Example, his explanation sounded plausible. Prevalent. Prevalent means common or widespread. Example, the disease is prevalent. Prolific. Prolific means producing a lot. Example, she is a prolific writer. Prudent. Prudent means wise and careful. Example, saving money is prudent. Refine. Refine means improve by making small changes. Example, they refined the design. Reinforce. Reinforce means strengthen. Example, practice reinforces learning. Reluctant. Reluctant means unwilling. Example, he was reluctant to leave. Robust. Robust means strong and healthy. Example, the system is robust. Scrutinize. Scrutinize means examine closely. Example, please scrutinize the contract. Substantial. Substantial means large in amount. Example, they made substantial progress. Succinct. Succinct means brief and clear. Example, her answer was succinct. Superficial. Superficial means only on the surface. Example, the damage was superficial. Tedious. Tedious means boring because it is long. Example, the meeting was tedious. Tenacious. Tenacious means determined. Example, she is tenacious. Thrive. Thrive means grow successful. Example, plants thrive in sunlight. Transparent. Transparent means open and easy to understand. Example, the process is transparent. Versatile. Versatile means able to do many things. Example, he is a versatile actor. Vivid. Vivid means producing clear images. Example, she has a vivid imagination. Vulnerable. Vulnerable means easily harmed. Example, children are vulnerable. Adversity. Adversity means difficulties or hardships. Example, he overcame adversity. Allocate. Allocate means distribute for a purpose. Example, allocate enough time. Alleviate. Alleviate means make less severe. Example, medicine can alleviate pain. Amend. Amend means make changes to improve. Example, they amended the policy. Ascertain. Ascertain means find out with certainty. Example, we must ascertain the facts. Coherent. Coherent means logical and consistent. Example, her argument was coherent. Compel. Compel means force or strongly persuade. Example, the evidence compelled action. Convey. Convey means communicate. Example, his smile conveyed confidence. Corroborate. Corroborate means confirm with evidence. Example, witnesses corroborated the story. Cultivate. Cultivate means develop. Example, cultivate good habits. Deduce. Deduce means reach a conclusion. Example, we deduced the answer. Depict. Depict means show or describe. Example, the painting depicts nature. Discern. Discern means recognize. Example, she could discern the difference. Discreet. Discreet means careful and tactful. Example, be discreet with private information. Disseminate. Disseminate means spread widely. Example, the internet disseminates information. Emerge. Emerge means come into view. Example, new ideas emerged. Endorse. Endorse means publicly support. Example, experts endorsed the proposal. Exemplary. Exemplary means serving as an excellent example. Example, her work is exemplary. Exhibit. Exhibit means display. Example, the museum exhibits ancient art. Foster. Foster means encourage development. Example, teachers foster creativity. Frugal. Frugal means careful with money. Example, he lives a frugal lifestyle. Gratify. Gratify means give pleasure. Example, success gratified the team. Hypothetical. Hypothetical means imagined. Example, it is a hypothetical question. Illuminate. Illuminate means make clear. Example, examples illuminate concepts. Imply. Imply means suggest indirectly. Example, his words implied agreement. Inhibit. Inhibit means prevent. Example, fear inhibits progress. Invoke. Invoke means call upon. Example, they invoked the law. Juxtapose. Juxtapose means place side by side. Example, the artist juxtaposed old and new. Leverage. Leverage means use to maximum advantage. Example, leverage your skills. Mitigate. Mitigate means make less serious. Example, trees mitigate pollution. Novel. Novel means new and original. Example, it is a novel approach. Obtain. Obtain means get. Example, she obtained permission. Perceive. Perceive means notice. Example, dogs perceive sounds well. Persistent. Persistent means continuing firmly. Example, be persistent. Precede. Precede means come before. Example, rain often precedes storms. Reconcile. Reconcile means restore harmony. Example, they reconciled their differences. Substantiate. Substantiate means support with evidence. Example, please substantiate your claim. Transient. Transient means temporary. Example, the problem was transient. Validate. Validate means confirm as true. Example, tests validate the results. Viable. Viable means capable of working. Example, the business is viable. Zealous. Zealous means full of enthusiasm. Example, she is a zealous volunteer. Articulate. Articulate means express clearly. Example, he is articulate. Conscientious. Conscientious means careful and responsible. Example, she is conscientious. Nuance. Nuance means a subtle difference. Example, he understood every nuance. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more.